My name is Eric Lacoste. This is SEO Expert Las Vegas, and today's topic is the top 3 myths debunked about SEO in 2024. This is a fun one for me because I still deal with people that think that these myths are still true and that they should be used on their website. Myth number 1, stuffing your website with keywords. This was a practice decades ago. This was a practice 5 years ago. People thought that this was what you would do. You would make a keyword list about your business and all the keywords associated with your business. And then you would find a way to throw every single one of those words into your website. And even the old school tactic was to make a list of all the remaining keywords and then use the color of the font of those words to blend in with the background of your website. Doesn't work anymore. There have been 3 Google updates that completely nullified the reason or existence to even do that. Even now, today, in 2024, keyword stuffing will get you penalized. So what is it that you're supposed to do? It's very simple. Write copy to a customer on your website. Write it for the person. Write it for telling your story or telling your elevator pitch on your website so that a human reads it. You don't keyword stuff this anymore. It doesn't work anymore, and it actually could hurt you. All right. Myth number 2. URL purchasing. I see this one all the time. I'm going to buy 50 URLs and I'm even going to buy them based on the keywords that I have searched. So you buy 50, you buy 75, you buy 100 URLs and you have them all linked to your website. This is a myth as well, okay? Google starts to penalize this because they start to see 75 different URLs that go to the same thing, right? You're going to build 75 different websites. You can't. You're not going to be able to do it. It doesn't make any sense. You can have a couple that refer. There's nothing wrong with having up to 3 or 4, but 75 or even thousands of them doesn't work. And now Google is hammering down on these. They're penalizing people that make mass URLs. It's called URL farming, and it is not something you want to be dealing with because you will get penalized eventually. The algorithm will catch you and they will penalize all those URLs. They won't go anywhere, so you're not getting any strong backlinks about it, right? So don't do that. It's a myth, right? Myth number 3. Number 3 is SEO is a one-time setup. No, it's not. You used to be able to get away with setting up an old website 10, 15 years ago and kind of letting it sit. If it was done correctly, but you were probably putting keywords in there and you probably had 25 URLs linked to it, but you could probably set it and forget it. Doesn't work anymore. SEO has been tied to everything about an internet existence for a business. It ties into the social media. It ties into YouTube. It ties into what's actually being written on the page. SEO is a continuous change, a continuous experimentation, and a continuous understanding of what is going to be changing for the website in the industry, in the city that you live. It's very, very important that you have a website, that you at least know an SEO that you can call and say, hey, can you take a look at this real quick? SEOs are going to be more important now with AI because just because you got a output for the keywords that you want to write and you had it write you the copy for your website, there may be things that an SEO picks up when it comes to that copy or where to put it, or how to design it, or how to incorporate that into your social media posts. SEOs are very, very important when it comes to the success of a business. And it's very, very important to know one that you can call and say, hey, can you take a look at this? So these are the top 3 myths that I see in 2024 when it comes to SEO. My name is Eric Lacoste. Make sure to like and subscribe and be sure to follow for my next video. Take care. Bye.